It's that time of the year.
New year, new me. I'm going to the gym this year. 2022 will be my year.
What do all these things have in common? For the most part, people don't follow up. People are fantasizing instead of goal setting. What's the difference, you might ask? When you're fantasizing, you see the exact same end goal as goal setting. The difference is that's where it ends. You see yourself having a great year, and then you repeat the same year you just had with little to no changes. Instead of fantasizing this year, I challenge you to set goals. We still want the same end result as fantasizing, except we're going to have actionable, very important word, steps that will take us close to or beyond our desired end result. You can set goals any time of the year. One of the more popular times is heading into the beginning of a new year. Now, let's talk about how we're going to set goals. You don't want to make a broad goal like,
I want to start investing.
we want to make SMART goals. SMART stands for specific. Your goals should be specific as possible for your desired results. Measurable. You should be able to accurately measure the progress of your goal and know when you've accomplished your goal. Attainable. You don't want an easy goal that won't challenge or push your limits, but you also don't want a goal that's too hard to accomplish. You want a goal that will push you to try harder and not deter you. Realistic. You want a goal that you can accomplish based on the things that you're able to put towards it. For example, time, money, energy, and things of that nature. And timeable. Is timeable the word? And timely. Your goal should have a time limit to provide some urgency. Your goal should include the previously mentioned attributes. Missing just one of them will turn your goals into more of a dream. I'll give you guys an example of one of my goals this year and what I'll build on to that goal for next year. I want to have $3,000 invested in my Robinhood account by the end of the year. My goal is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. I made this goal in December of 2020. As you can see, I did not make my goal, but my goal also changed over the year. Being introduced to new investment opportunities over the year, I changed my goal from I want to have $3,000 invested in my Robinhood account by the end of the year to I want to have $3,000 across my investment portfolio by the end of the year. My new goal is still a SMART goal, which I did hit, by the way. Period. To know for sure I will hit my goal, I worked backwards from my goal. For example, I took $3,000 and divided it by 12, which gave me $250 per month. I can break that number down even more. Since I was paid bi-weekly, I can divide the $250 by 2 and know that I have to put away $125 per paycheck. This year, my investment goal will be I want to have $7,500 invested across my investment portfolio by the end of 2022. Again, still a SMART goal. What are some of your goals for the upcoming year? Leave them down in the comments and I'll be sure to read through them all. Everything mentioned in today's video will be down in the description below. Again, my name is Blain Thomas, and I'll see you guys on the next one.